Hello guys, this is Davis here, and welcome back to yet another video. Now today's video is a bit different than my regular video. It's a comparison video. I Love Toy Trains part 5. Because I did one of part 1, 2, 4, and 8, and I think I did 6. But I never did a comparison video of part 5. So here it is. I have 4 copies of part 5 right here. And we're gonna compare them. So let's get started. First up is the original 1998 VHS. So yeah. Side, other side, top, back. And yeah, if you want to read that, here you go. 30 minutes. And this is not actually the original copy from like early 1998. This is the later 1998 release with normal rails. I just want to point that out, because I know Will owns the early 98 copy of this. So yeah. Next up is the most common version of it, the 1999 reprint of it. So yeah, side, other side, top, back, and it's pretty much about the same, but it's just a bit lighter. But yeah. It's just a bit lighter, and it has this label, I think, and this end label, and this is the 99 reprint of it, and here is the 2000 VHS, and it's even lighter. So yeah. And this has a different TM Books and Video logo and some different stuff in it. But other than that, it's pretty much the same as the 99 version. And finally, the rarest release, the 2002 VHS. It's actually not really that rare, but I'm just going to say it's uncommon to find it. And it has a different back on it, and a different front, and it's way lighter than the other one. And this right here is the 2003 ink label copy of the tape. So yeah, because it has prints on the lid. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Peace out.